Good morning, guys. We have 10 minutes for this class, and I'll be as fast as I can. So my VS Code application is up and running, and I'll just create a folder on my desktop. Create a folder on my desktop and rename it Web Development. Then the next thing I'll do is to save this page. So I'm saving, and then I want to ensure that it is saved in my web development folder. And come to my desktop, web development, boom, and I'll rename it as index. And I come to save as type and ensure that it's saved as HTML. Okay, now so we have that saved up. Next thing I do is that I bring up my boilerplate. Okay, so that's my boilerplate, which is up there. It is up and running. Now I will just type some no, not here. Okay, I bring up my boilerplate again. And then I like us to view the page and see. Okay, so now this is what you saved. Basically, there's nothing in it, and it is written document. So we'll start editing gradually. Okay, so the first thing I want us to edit is the title. I like us to have it as Digits Africa Limited. So let's just come back here, reload the page. So now you can see it is changed to Digits Africa Limited. Okay, so that's been done. Let's get started. Now everything you're going to be writing in your HTML is also be written inside the body element. I believe if we go through the notes that were posted, you see that I had to break it down so it won't look long and clumsy for people to read. So everything that we're going to be typing, it's going to be inside the body element. Now we'll start with the heading element, which is the H1 element. Okay, so this is heading 1. Okay, so let's come back and refresh the page again. Let's see. Stretch it a bit. So once we hit refresh, we can see that it's showing there. So let's do that for other. Let's just copy and paste. Change this to 2. Now once we do that, you're going to see how it will appear on the screen at different levels. 4, 5, 6, 6, 5, 4. Sorry, 4. Okay. Now mine is already on autosave, so I don't need to be clicking save all the time. So I would also want you to put yours on autosave. So we reload the page again, and you can see how the different headings are showing. And let's add up something else again. So let's add the paragraph element. The paragraph element. So the paragraph element is the p tag. For best practices, please always close every element that needs to be closed. Thank you very much. This is a paragraph element. So let's reload our page again and see. So you can see now that it's showing that this is a paragraph element. Okay, so we also talked about self-closing tag, and I'd like us to use the HR tag. The HR tag helps to draw a horizontal line. It helps to draw a horizontal line in your document. So let's just use the HR tag. As we go further, we're going to be seeing other elements, HR. So let's reload and see what happens. Now can you see that the line is showing there? So let's take the line above the paragraph element. So I'll come back and reload my page again, and you see now that it has gone above the paragraph element. So for the project work that we'll be doing today, don't get scared. It's very, very easy. I know that I'm a bit fast. So we're going to be doing a movie ranking. Let's say movie, yeah, let's do a movie ranking. So for the movie ranking project, what I want us to do is to use all these elements, but with the exception of 4, 5, and 6. So we'll be using the heading 1 element. So let's refresh the page again and see how it appears. Very good. So we'll be using the heading 1 element, the heading 2 element, and then the heading 3 element. Now for the heading 1 element is going to be written movie ranking project. Movie. Or let's say my favorite movies. Now you're going to have the name of the movie here, the name of the movie. Then for the heading 3, sorry, you're going to tell us why you love the movie, why I love this movie. Okay, so let's refresh the page again and see how it appears. Okay, so now for yours, it's going to be the first one, my favorite movies. That's going to be the heading. And the second one, the name of the movie. And the third one, why you love the movie. But now you're not going to write in the name of the movie. You will type out the name of the movie. Maybe it is let's see which movie. Rush Hour, Fast and Furious, whatever is the name of the movie, you just put it there. Okay, another thing I want us to do is to have the horizontal line just immediately beneath the favorite movies. So let's refresh the page again and see how it appears. Very good. So now it's going to be up there, and then you would have your favorite movies written like that. Do we need a paragraph text? Okay, so now for the paragraph text, we just change it to this is a list of some of my favorite movies. So let's refresh again. This is a list of my favorite movies.